Imagine selling your real estate wholesaling deals for 100% of the retail value. Seems crazy, seems like it's fake, but the honest truth is you can absolutely do this right now with hedge fund buyers. What is up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I'm sharing exactly how to find hedge fund buyers in your real estate wholesaling business and how you can sell these deals for top dollar in real estate wholesaling. But before I give to you all the information you need to know about cash buyers, how to find them, what are they, and the exact secrets nobody's telling you on YouTube to find these awesome hedge fund buyers in your real estate wholesaling market, do me a huge favor, smash that like button and subscribe to get the most free value from me, and let's get it going. Before you start laying into me and saying, Zach, there's no way hedge funds are buying for that much of retail value. And the honest truth is, yes, they are. These hedge funds do not have a profit incentive like most landlords or house flippers or cash buyers. These hedge funds are trying to make a specific amount of money, and a lot of it's being covered with inflation. So they're buying for an insane amount, and they're usually buying them on market. So these are amazing. My job in this video is to show you exactly how you can find these hedge fund buyers so you can be a hero to the hedge fund, because you selling deals for max value and they don't have to pay a realtor will make the hedge fund person and the connection you have with those hedge funds make you look amazing. So let's get into it. So first of all, what are hedge fund buyers? Basically, hedge fund buyers are buyers of real estate or of anything that is looking to hedge their bets, hedge their investments, and really create a fund and a capital fund to put money to work. One really good example of this is a fund like Berkshire Hathaway. This is a fund from Warren Buffett, really where he goes and gets people's money and he invests it for them. Now, Berkshire Hathaway is its own company now. It's got its own crazy things, but really in the beginning, it was sort of like that. Basically, what this means is a pool of really rich investors, sometimes pensions, pool money together, and a really smart person or a big board really invest that money. Now, a lot of these people you know as hedge funds, as like a Wall Street type thing of people investing in stocks or maybe even like big multifamily projects. But a lot of these hedge fund buyers are trying to get very safe investments, and a lot of stocks are very volatile right now. And they're looking to get into single family real estate. Multifamily real estate is not getting the same returns, and single family is becoming increasingly better. Appreciation for these single family deals are doing really well, and hedge funds are starting to take notice. A lot of these hedge funds are going to buy the properties and rent them out. And they're finding really good results with not a lot of risk, especially with real estate. And if you're in like an insane market like Phoenix, Arizona, where property values are rising 10, 15, 20%, it's almost a no-brainer where stock can rise the same and have so much more risk. Honestly, again, real estate looks really good for hedge funds, especially for the investors, so they eat this stuff up. And I'm not going to get in the full thing of why real estate's a great investment. You know, depreciation, the safety of the asset, and the residual rental value, it's a no-brainer. You have to understand the Fed printed $2 trillion this year, and a lot of these hedge funds have a lot of inflation, and they got to get rid of the cash they have. So a lot of them are just dumping into single family, which is where we're going to have a lot of good results. And these hedge funds are looking to buy for around 8 to 10% cap rate, which I don't want to get too advanced on you here, but really that's the return of investment they have, and a lot of it can just be covered off the rents itself. Now we really know more about the hedge funds. Let's kind of break down what markets hedge funds are buying in and exactly how to find them. Number one, hedge funds are looking for really good opportunities for markets that have high growth, high appreciation, and a decent amount of rents that they can get every single month. These are going to be cities like Atlanta, Jacksonville, Raleigh, North Carolina, Phoenix, Columbus, Nashville, Denver, Dallas, Charlotte, Louisville, Kentucky, Nashville, San Antonio. These are going to roughly be the markets. Now, the good part is when you contact these hedge funds, they're going to give you a list and a criteria, so it's perfect. Most of these lists and criteria really require at least 2 to 3 bedrooms and a buy price between $250,000 to $350,000. Some hedge funds will buy as low as $200,000, but roughly they want to be between those ranges. And from what I've seen with dealing with hedge funds, most of them want at minimum $1,000 they can charge per month in rent per house, because they need managers to manage these rental properties. Now, drum roll please, because this comes down to the most asked question, especially when it comes to wholesaling real estate, is how do I actually find these hedge fund buyers? And there's a multitude of reasons and ways to find these hedge fund buyers. Number one, and probably the easiest way to find hedge fund buyers, is to do none of the work yourself and JV with some people in wholesaling real estate and JV with people that actually have the connections with these hedge fund buyers. I know it seems a little complicated, but really on Facebook, you can really find a lot of these people in the wholesaling Facebook groups. But really, my favorite way is actually finding them yourself and not having to JV with someone. So my top way I could say right now is with listrei.com. With listrei.com, aka PropStream, you can go and really quickly go to the cash sales in your market and find the buyers. A lot of these buyers you can pull with like a CSV or an Excel format, and you can find the hedge funds pretty easy. If it's like Johnston Street Trust LLC and you look them up online, you see a website and it says they're buying properties, go out there and contact them. I've done so many lives where I've looked at cash sales and saw that these are under big land trusts or like big hedge funds, 123 Property Management Street. Like they got really like corporate names, and you go look up their websites and it says they're buying properties and they provide rentals for communities. Go contact them. Say you're a real estate wholesaler looking to sell some properties to them. You'll get in charge of the acquisitions department, and then you build the connection and sell those deals from there. You can do the same thing on public records. If you go to your local city's clerk of the court, or you go online to the clerk of the court of counties, you can actually pull on the public records. I do this all free at freewholesaling.com of all cash sales. Sometimes you can export them as a CSV or an Excel format. You can put in Google Sheets. You can actually find all the cash buyers for the past month. Search the LLCs and corporations. A lot of these are going to be hedge funds, and you can go get their contact info and then call them. And last here, this is my super secret guru thing. Most gurus, you're going to have to pay $5,000, $10,000 to learn this hedge fund secret, but you know me, I got to give it for free. So here it is. Go to Craigslist.com or Apartments.com or anywhere where they have corporate rentals. Craigslist still has them, but Apartments.com is a little better. What I want you to do is go out here and search for the rentals and then skim through them until you can find property management companies that are actually managing these rentals. I want you to call the property managers and see if their bosses are looking to buy more properties. There's a good chance if you call at least 100 of them, you could get 3, 4, even 5 of these are going to be hedge fund buyers. That's another really good way to find these hedge fund buyers. And the benefit of that is having 5, 10, 15, even 100 hedge fund buyers in your pocketbook to go after. You can easily have almost a guaranteed % chance of selling your deal for almost retail, which makes getting properties under contract really easy. But overall, you're going to have to do the work. It's really not that complicated once you get their phone number. Just explain to a wholesaler, make sure they're okay with the wholesaling real estate process, make sure they deal with your title company, and you should be good to go. These hedge fund buyers are going to be absolutely crucial for you to increase the amount of deals you're getting per year in real estate wholesaling. You could easily double or even triple your net profits by not even getting even a more amount of deals just because you have the right buyers in place. So go out there, get some hedge fund buyers, and start making a change in your real estate wholesaling business. Do me a favor, comment below your favorite strategies for finding hedge fund buyers and what you do to find hedge fund buyers in your market. And if you want to JV with someone, and if you have hedge fund buyers or looking for hedge fund buyers, comment below your email and what markets you're in and JV in the comments. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. Smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Have a blessed one. Hey guys, Zach Ginn here from Flip with Rick. And after helping tens of thousands of people get started in wholesaling real estate and helping so many people out go from $0 to $100,000 in wholesaling real estate, I'm super excited to announce my new wholesaling mastery course. This wholesaling mastery course will have everything step by step on the whole entire wholesaling processes. I'm going to give you real deal examples. I'm going to hold your hand throughout the whole wholesaling process. This course will give you everything you need to know to make up to $100,000 to over $1 million per year in wholesaling real estate profits. Most real estate gurus out there will charge you around $5,000 for a course like this. But today, if you click on the link, you will get my wholesaling mastery course for the low price of...
Sell out.
What?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
What do you mean?
I knew you would do this. I knew you were going to go the course route with the guru. It goes against everything we've preached from day one. Don't be a sellout.
The course is free.
What?
The course is free. I'm giving it for free.
Oh, I apologize. Carry on.
Jeez, okay. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, duh. Do you think I'm going to go sell out as like a regular guru selling you a course? I'm not trying to make money off of you guys. Guys, over here, all you got to do is click there to just sign up. No gimmicks, nothing. Absolutely for free. It's a free wholesaling course. Literally, I've seen every single wholesaling course. I have access to all the 10,000 mentorships. Guys, I literally copied them step by step. I literally have an entire course set out just for you for wholesaling real estate. Click on that and let's get started.